So why did the central government decide to hold this high-level symposium?
I think cross-strait relations underwent many difficulties over the past 15 years. There were winds and rains. There were also rainbows. Now the symposium is a summary of the past 15 years and also a crucial historic point for cross-strait ties. This symposium, I believe, transmits a clear message. It builds confidence toward peaceful reunification. It's also a warning to Taiwan secessionists and international interference.
During the past 15 years, what kind of roles has the law played in opposing Taiwan independence and promoting peaceful reunification?
The achievements serve the integration of both sides. In fact, there have been specific provisions on how to strengthen economic, cultural, and scientific and judicial communication across the strait. So to speak, this lays the judicial foundation for the peaceful development of cross-strait relations. On the other hand, it has deterred power over Taiwan secessionists and international interferences. So in this law, there are multiple situations mentioned by the law. We can therefore use non-peaceful measures. This is very clear.
There are voices across the strait holding that after 15 years, the Anti-Secession Law needs modification or interpretation. What's your opinion?
Law procedures may have certain modifications, especially when it comes to certain situations at the moment. On the one hand, for the new development of Taiwan independence and external interference, there should be some clear specifications. On another, there are new chances and opportunities for cross-strait integration. The consecutive favorable policies toward Taiwan compatriots send many signals, including multiple policies. Therefore, legal protection also needs constant improvement. Some law experts also agree with me on this. There could first be some interpretation and bylaws based on legal procedures before real modification.
China adopted a decision to make the Hong Kong national security laws during this year's two sessions. Now, closely after the adoption, this seminar is being held. Is there any connection between both?
From the view of time, I think there's no connection between both, for they have their uniqueness. But from a big historical background, they're interconnected. There have been some new problems when our country and our one country, two systems mechanism have developed to their current level. While we consider these questions, our fundamental policies will not change, but we need to consider the issue of national security, sovereignty, and development interests. In this way, we need to think about the issue as a whole, so I think both have their inherent logic.